How are you? How's the visit?
It was great. It went well. It's a bit, sad for me and Lola especially. Kasi it's our last visit. Hopefully, the next time we see each other is better circumstances na. Yeah.
Your question, attorney?
Does he look well?
Yes.
He's very well and very alive.
Okay, good. That's good.
That's all we need.
Ma'am, Ma'am Elizabeth, Ma'am Isabel, is there something na perhaps allowed for you to share to us? Maybe a message from him, if it's possible.
I think from my family.
For your family, okay.
From my family and
course,
I. Yeah. We are very grateful for your support, sacrifices, and love, especially to be here with us. And to every Filipino around the world. We wanted to say that, of course, we appreciate everything, but we also don't want you to feel the need to give more than what you already have. This is more than enough, like really more than enough, and I think we just ask for more prayers.
For you, Isabel, being the first time niyo nag-visit kay lolo mo, di ba? What's your overall experience in
No,
this?
it was really heartwarming. Like, I got to spend time with my lolo because I don't get that opportunity as much, especially in the Philippines because he's really busy. And even with this circumstance now, I think I'm really grateful to be able to just chat with him and spend time. And I think he loves it as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
And sometimes he mistook her to be Sarah.
Yeah.
Perhaps he's the next vice president, ma'am. Oh. Any questions from the crowd?
Ay, kanina, someone asked if this effort ba is nakakarating ba natin?
Yes.
Of course.
That's why she said. He said that if possible, stop it daw. It's enough.
Even before,
Like he's been saying from before,
From before
even
pa, oo.
statements of like VP Sara, Pongpulong, and even Kitty na he wants everyone to rest now. Because he's okay. He's said this before. Yeah.
But ma'am, if it's possible, kung makabalik man, or the other family members visiting him, sabihin niyo sa kanya na hindi kami mag-rest hanggat hindi siya
And I
mapalabas.
believe they also say that before na, you know, pinapaabot din nila yung message na yan. And he always says they need to stop. They need to rest. It's more than enough. I'm okay.
This is our rest.
Yung rest day
He
nila.
said that before and they've said that before. Yeah.
Any more question from the crowd, guys?
Attorney Trixie, your question.
No, that's it. We are not allowed to submit. Thank you so much for your time and attention.
I also want you to know we appreciate that you talked to us here.
Yeah.
You feel
Perfect.
Yeah.
And thank you very much.
Yes, Attorney Trixie. And I did not recognize you because of your hat.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, is it okay for you guys to have photo opportunity? Yeah. Thank you.
For a
Thank
bit,
you.
yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much po.